Our builds have followed the usual stage to develop this process. The first step was to determine the best chemistry, and this step is done at what we call a laboratory scale, where we determine the parameters of chemistry that will be used to extract the alumina from the clay. This process has been developed with the help of the Center of Chemical Process Studies of Quebec, which is a research center based in Montreal. The next step was in fact to demonstrate this process to a higher level, which consists in fact to the production at a pilot laboratory scale of approximately 1 kilogram that have been produced since now. This product have been useful to evaluate the characteristic of this process and to give us a good idea of the value of this process to an industrial scale. The next step will consist to realize a pilot plant, which will give us a very good idea about the operating parameters for the final step, which consists in fact to the construction of a final production plant. The transformation steps of the clay are: first, the extraction in acidic media of the alumina from the clay. Doing that, we also extract the iron. The second step consists to the removal of this iron by a precipitation in basic media, which will provide an alumina which is pure in liquid form. The final step will consist to make the precipitation of the alumina, which after calcination and dehydratation will provide a product which will be in the form of a white powder. The pilot plant step will consist to take the laboratory scale to an industrial level. At this level, our objective will be to be able to produce 1 ton per day of high purity alumina. We estimate the cost of this step to $6 million.